Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make coriander tea. This is a dry coriander. I boil this dry coriander in a water. I boil this. Add 2 spoon sugar. Add small piece of ginger to it. Just chop it. Ginger paste add to this coriander tea. Make it boil for 1 minute. After the ginger paste is added, switch off the stove after 1 minute. Now the coriander tea is ready. This is a tasty coriander tea. It boosts our immunity. It is good for health also. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.